It's me again. Yep. Working on Johnny. Had a little problem the other night when I wanted to go to town. Yay. Anybody know what that is? Anybody know what that is? What's that? What is it? Yeah, well, I can tell you. That's an adjuster. Yep, that right there is a headlight adjuster. Now, way back when I first got Johnny, I bought new ones. I got plenty. I got extras, brand new ones. But the top one is the one that broke. And you got to take the grill out and the upper little cover for the radiator to get in behind to put a new one in. So I went ahead and did this little quickie fix. There's a lip right back here. The adjuster was here. I drilled a hole through. Now, believe it or not, this is a piece off of the actual muffler strap from Johnny that was just the right width. So I cut it at the right length, got it in there, drilled a hole through where the headlight ring, there's 3 of them that hold the headlight in on the actual bucket. They call it a bucket. So I had to push this way back in there, pulling the spring out, pushing it way back in there, got this screwed down and let it out. And I checked the lights last night up against the house, back a ways. They're both the same height. And I adjusted this one in just a tad. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and the only reason I took it back apart is I wanted to make this video and show you my little homemade piece that's going to be there. It's not going to go anywhere, you know? So there we go. It's not going to break. They could have come up with a better idea than a piece of plastic. I mean, come on. But it broke. And they got to shove them in from the backside. Like I said, you can't get into that one. I did this one, no problem. Haven't done these, but they're not broke. But those behind the battery are going to be a problem. You got to take. I'll have to take everything apart to be able to repair those. So there we go. Putting it back on. Another day of a Johnny repair.